In this guide, I will show you how to fix Roku remote blinking green and not working. If your Roku Ultra remote is blinking green and displaying the battery icon on your TV intermittently, it could indicate a low battery or connectivity problem with your Roku Ultra device. Here are steps you can take to troubleshoot. Replace the batteries in your remote with fresh ones. A blinking green light often indicates low battery power, so new batteries may resolve the issue. Check the connectivity between the remote and the Roku Ultra device. Move closer to the Roku Ultra device and ensure there are no obstructions. You can also reset the connection by pressing the reset button located on the back of the remote. Try restarting your Roku Ultra device. Sometimes, a device restart can clear up connectivity issues between the remote and the Roku Ultra. Reset your Roku Ultra remote. Press and hold the pairing button on the back of the remote for at least 3 seconds. Release the button and wait for the remote to restart. This can help reset any internal issues with the remote. Following these steps should help you troubleshoot and potentially resolve the blinking green light and battery icon issue on your Roku Ultra remote. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.